Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to make YouTube into restricted mode. What I mean by that, the unnecessary, unethical videos that are 18 plus videos, your kids, because if you have a cell phone at home and you don't want your kids to watch such things, so you're going to make an ID either or make some changes into your YouTube settings. That way, your whole search bar or search engine, whenever somebody searches on your phone, will be on restricted mode, and you can give your cell phone to the kids, then they can watch cartoon. So in order to do that, all you have to do is make sure you go on YouTube. You can even do it on the cell phone screen. It's very easy. So when you're on YouTube, you can see it's very easy, and you can see it's very, when you appear on the main YouTube page, all you have to do is look for an option look for a place on the right upper corner and click on it. There's a picture of yours up there. Click on it, and when you click on it, when you come down and see an option called restricted mode. So on my laptop, on my ID, currently the restricted mode is off. So in order to on it and what it contains, we're gonna click on search, and there it writes, this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. It means there are possibly some videos that cannot be detected at first, but maybe in future if people report them. So this setting only applies to this browser, which means only applies to the account you're currently using. It won't be applied on all accounts. So if you're giving your cell phone to a kid, and make sure you're logged in with the same account you are currently using, and your mod is restricted at that point, then it's going to be really good. So what you have to do is click on this button, and it will automatically refresh itself, and the restricted mode is on, which means the inappropriate videos are not going to be visible on your YouTube channel. So this is very easy method on how you can get your YouTube channel into restricted mode. And if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tigez Schooling.